Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Abiyah Israel. I make videos here on YouTube about beauty, fashion, hair, makeup. So if you are interested, consider hitting that subscribe button. I do put out new videos 3 times a week. And also follow me on Instagram at Abiyah20. I post on there weekly. Instagram's fun, Instagram's great, I love it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this Denman brush, and if you don't know what a Denman brush is, or if you've heard of it but still don't really know what it is, it's a styling brush, and it actually it was never made for us curly girls. It was never made for that. It was actually made for like a blow drying styling tool, so you'd blow dry and then use this, but we have made it into something that is for us curly gals, and it works great. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it, because I know there's a lot of like speculation on how do you really use it, does it really work, what do you do? So I'm going to show y'all. So some things that you'll need are a water bottle to spritz your hair, and just some leave-in conditioner or some detangler, curling cream, something like that that'll moisturize your hair. I firstly do, so my hair right now is freshly out of the shower. I haven't done anything to it. So I'm just gonna be doing this front section here. So you're gonna want to take your water bottle, and I do advise having like a towel nearby so that you don't get water everywhere, because it does get a little bit wet. Sorry if you can't see that. Yeah, so you pretty much do want to get it like soaking wet. And then I usually just take my towel and just kind of wring out the excess, because you obviously don't want it to be dripping while you're doing this. So if I'm doing a section that's this big, I'll take it and I will split it in half. So I'll do like this section. And I will take my, smells like coconuts. This is my Cantu Shea Butter Natural Coconut Curling Cream. And I will also do just a curly hair routine for you guys as well. So keep an eye out for that, maybe Saturday. So I'll take this, run this through Yield fingers, through Yield hair. Actually, I'll just do it through all because I had a lot there. Yes. Slay. What you're gonna want to do, so I'm gonna show you 2 ways you can do this. So obviously it is a brush, so you could just go brush, and what this does is the bristles on here, they clump your curls. So you get when you go through, you get all your curls put together, and then once you blow dry or diffuse, you get a nice curl wave, and then you can loosen them out and stretch them out. So it's really good at clumping the curls, especially if you have trouble getting defined curls. It works very well with that. So you can brush it out, but what a lot of girls and what I've experienced is when you do this, you get a lot more shrinkage than normal, because all the curls are being clumped, and when our hair curls, it naturally shrinks. It naturally shrinks already. So when you clump your curls and it shrinks even more, you know, some of us don't want that. So the trick that I have learned is there's a certain way you can do this that will stretch your curls so that they'll still be clumped, but they won't be super shrinked. So what you're gonna want to do is come from the top and let's see. And you're gonna want to just kind of, I'll show you how to do it twice. Go down. So if you can tell, your curls are clumped, but it's created a hole new curl pattern. This way, my curls are a lot longer and they're not as straight. So again, I will show you guys how to do it again. So we'll just brush this part out again. So you're gonna wanna brush it out and then come from the top, and then you're just gonna wanna come down and twist the brush towards you. So like towards you, inside, like you're going like this. Like down and towards you. And you should see that new curl pattern. You should see the definition that it brings. So let's go ahead and we will do it to just solely gonna be on just how to use the Denman brush, and I will do another video on my curly hair routine so you can see what these curls look like when they're dry. I'm gonna come up and bring it toward you, and you can already see, wow, see how good it clumps them? But then you can also separate them as well to make them a bit smaller. So yeah, so that is how you use a Denman brush, and I'll give you guys just a bit more of a close-up if you wanted to see the definition that this brush gives. Yeah, it gives lots and lots of definition. So it's a super awesome brush, and I do recommend it. And before I end, you guys can get this brush at Sally's, most hair beauty stores. You can also buy this off of Amazon, which is where I bought mine, but just make sure that it's the Denman brand if you buy it off of Amazon, because they have a lot of like generic brands that aren't Denman. So when you search for it, just make sure that it is the Denman brand. And these are about $10, literally super duper cheap, and I think it's a must-have for your curly hair collection. So yeah, that is the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and again, stay tuned for my everyday curly hair routine, which I will be doing very, very soon. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a good day or night. I'll see you guys in my next video on Saturday. Bye!